Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got an unboxing and a review on Luna, brand new from Villa's Modixx collection in the color Dark Chocolate Mix. I received Luna from Villa in collaboration with Wig Studio One. We have a live event. If you're not a member of our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, I hope you consider stopping over and joining us in the group. We have our live event on Thursday, May 19th, 2022, in case you're watching this later on, but you can still see the replay if you're not able to watch the live event. Georgia and Sabrina from Villa will be joining us. We're going to be talking about the fit on Villa on the different collections. We'll be talking about the fibers, the colors, the styles. We'll be showing you styles, and both Sabrina and Georgia will be there to answer any questions and provide a little bit more information about Villa. So Eileen, the crazy wig lady, and I will be hosting this live event, and Sabrina and Georgia are our special guests. I hope that if you're not a member, you stop over and join us. We have a great group over there. We show our wigs. Lots of members ask questions. We have over 20,000 members there. So they ask questions and they get answers for wig related, styling, toppers, whatever you need. So I hope that you stop over and join us. All right, Luna. Georgia sent this to me, as I mentioned, and it just arrived yesterday. So I thought, well, I don't have it. I had it in my cart at Wig Studio One, and I thought, okay, I received it because I needed another one for the live from the Elements collection, which I didn't have. So Georgia sent me this brand new piece, and she chose the color for me, and I think it's beautiful. Dark Chocolate Mix. This is 633.4. We have that dark brown base, and it is a warm color because we have that 33, which is a light reddish brown. Gorgeous, gorgeous brunette. Rich, dark chocolate. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I would have picked this one for myself, but I'm glad she did. Let's take a look at the cap. If you're not familiar with the Modixx collection, in this collection, Villa has taken the best features from each of the collections to create the Modixx collection. So what we have here is a lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab, and it's nice and generous. We have a open wefted on the top, the sides, and the back. We also have a mono crown that will give that illusion of a natural hair growth. Typical of Villa, the permatease is minimal at best, and we have light density. The density is European-like, so it is a lighter density. I'm feeling the tiniest bit of permatease, even though this is basically a basic cap with a lace front. We have felt covered ear tabs. We have an extended nape with Velcro adjusters and a nice stretchy cap. I have a few other styles from the Modixx collection, and they all fit me perfectly on my 21.5-inch circumference, but I always have to cinch it in. Therefore, I am going to cinch this one in. As you can tell, I am not wearing a wig grip right now because today is my recording day, and I'd like to get this video up for you by this afternoon. So I cinched it in about halfway on either side. If I was wearing a wig grip, then I'd have to let it out a little bit. But what I have found with the Modixx collection is that it should fit up to a 22-inch circumference, or maybe even a 22.25. I really don't have any way of gauging the sizing, but that's kind of the feel I get based on my own circumference and how much I have to cinch it in. All right, I'm just giving it a shake. These are heat-friendly fibers. on this particular style. Not all from the Modixx collection have heat-friendly fibers, but this one does. So we can style it anywhere we like. I think on the website and here, there is a picture of it, how it looks curled. However, this style does not arrive curled. It arrives straight with some flippy ends to it. Wow, absolutely gorgeous right out of the box. As you saw, I just added some water. That's what I have in here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful style. Let's take a look at the lace front. Even though we have a dark color, Wille does their lace fronts so beautifully. We have some of that 33 around the framing the face. So even though the knotting is a bit dark, the lace is done absolutely beautifully, and it comes right down to here, actually down here, and there is a nice transition from the lace front to the ear tab. Great coverage. Here's the ear tab, and here is my hairline. Here is the ear tab and my hairline. On Luna, we have a front of 6 inches. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4. And as you can see, it comes right down. We have layers here. So we could wear it off the face. And if you wanted to add some bangs, that is very doable. I like it a little bit off the face, but oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. What do we have? We have a crown of 12.5 inches. The sides are 9 inches. The nape is 9 inches, and Luna weighs 4 ounces. As I mentioned, we don't have the permatease is really minimal. Now, I can feel a little bit of those return hairs on the top, but because this is a dark color, you can't see it. What I do with these, I just kind of mess it up, and it's fine. However, I don't know how this would look on a color without a root. You may want to keep an eye out for any other videos that show Luna in a lighter color without a root, so you could get a good idea on how it looks. The density is light, as are Wille. I mean, we can certainly tuck it. We can take out a few strands. As I mentioned, these are heat-friendly fibers, so if you wanted to make it very straight, you can do that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it very straight. But if you want to wear it flippy, you can wear it flippy. If you wanted to add some curls, you could do that. I do want to mention that with Wille, on their heat-friendly fibers, you don't want to use heat above 260 degrees. Some other manufacturers recommend 300 or 320. However, with Wille, you want to be careful and not go higher than 260. Any flat iron or curling iron would work. My main suggestion with this is to make sure you have one that has a digital readout so you can control the temperature. And Wille also recommends using water and not heat protectant on when you're styling your heat-friendly fibers. want to make it a little bit bigger, we could mess it up. We could wear it a little bit bigger. We could, add a little bit of volume up on top if that's something that you want to do. Could comb it through. I always carry that white tooth comb with me with these seed-friendly fibers. But as you saw, the Luna can be worn in a ponytail, or you can make it into a messy bun. What I usually try to do with the heat-friendly fibers, if I'm going somewhere, I just go ahead and I put it up in a messy bun, and then when I get to my destination, I just take off that claw clip and I'm ready to go. Comb it through and you're fine. So you could wear it this way. You could add some styling products and a little bit more sleeker or a little bit messier. It's entirely up to you. These are very easy to wear. And if you're concerned about the heat-friendly fibers, I have Drive from Ellen Villa. I actually have two, and they are both over 2 years old now. I have worn them extensively, and they still look brand new. It's just a matter of applying that heat every 4 or 5 wears, again, at no higher than 260, and it just stays really, really pretty. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see dark chocolate mix in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Let me know what you think about Luna. Do you like this style? Do you think it's pretty? I think it's so pretty. I really, really like it. You'll see me wearing it in other colors because I really like this one. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.